take your hair from this to this. So I'm going to be using a bathrobe tie like this, but you can use a sock or a scarf, whatever you have. I'm going to start using a constructor like this, which is a styling spray, which is going to make my hairstyle last long. Start by taking out the natural parting of the hair, which is here in her case, and put your rope in the center of the hair, slightly forward, and you can clip it at the center. Now divide the hair into two like this. Take a section here and start wrapping it around the rope. Once you're done, you can wrap it around, secure it with a rubber band, just like that. So we start with the outer side and you do the same thing. It's very much like a braid that we are doing. With two sections, you know how we do the braid with three sections of hair. This is two sections of the hair and one is the rope. Once you're done with this, you go to bed, get some nice sleep.
8 hours later.
So this is next day. Now it's time for the work day. We open this and see what we got. If you want to keep the curls tighter, you don't have to open it, but I like it a little more lifting and I like it a little more chilled and relaxed. That's why I'm opening it a little bit. If you want a little more shine in the hair, you can go ahead and just put some sheets right. So here we have it. This is the result. No heating tools, no heat, just a rope tie, and we have these beautiful waves here. What do you guys think?